here to tell about the topic cyberpolicing, the multifaceted cybercriminal, fake government of Telangana. What is sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. So, JNTH Jack and fake government of Telangana are twin cybercriminal organizations that have had a privileging cover in the JNTH academic environment. The condition demands cyber solutions for diffusing the same. People's Governance Forum, a forum of IT researchers and students devised by us, serves and suppliers to the need of the herd to companion through its ICT-based remedial manpower and machinery to solve the cybercrimes. So the paper presents a modus operandi of the PGF appropriated for the realizing the same. The empirical experience has seen a correlate from the intelligence as realizing the same. The imperial experience has been a correlate from the intelligence as well as the commonplace. We represent the appreciated results of our research problem in our pursuit to recover from the deleterious effect of the India abusive fourfold cybercrimes explored by us. So the introduction of this topic is cybercrimes are becoming more and more prevalent as an ICT usage tends to be increasing. Novel situations come to surface in the present internet age, challenging the organizations of the police, courts, administration, academic society, and the nations. Innovative solutions that capture the ICT specialist of the knowledge become essential in order to curb the cybercrimes. However, there is a lack of cohesive ethics with respect the proper interfacing and interorganizational functioning in the organizations of these various fields. We have made an empirical study of some cybercrimes which were massively organized in change academic environment. Over the years, we have not only recorded the forensic evidence of these crimes by using Wayback Machine, a web robot, and made concentrate effort to diffuse the cybercriminal dimension in JNTH academics, but also formed a forum PGF of IT researchers and students for the purpose or earlier works in the regard are in 1 to 10 and a snapshot of its figure. This research paper is organized to followers delineates the modus operandi of PGF, and session 3.1 presents the convergence potential of IT and RTI Act 2005, and session 4.1 presents traces of cyber criminal organization JNTH Jack as on 15th November 2018, and session 5.1 presents a fresh indicator through an RTI application for public to TS Police for prohibition orders against JNTH Jack. Session 6.1 concludes the paper. So, first, delineating the modus operandi of the People's Government's Forum. As depicted in the figure, PGF consisting as many as 10 PhD research scholars and MTech students as the primary members who got together to conduct a special drive to create awareness of the India abusive cybercrimes in the JNTH Jack academics and diffuse the same. The names are listed in the snapshot. A professor has blacklisted the JNTH owning to the apathy of the JNTH administration with respect to these cybercrimes. The related document hyperlinks in the PGF web development itself towards intensifying our companion against the India abusive cybercrimes. And next, we depicted a posture of the latest research paper presented in the AP Science Congress in November 2018 at Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa, India. These methods, results, and conclusions are captured in the poster. The poster was tweeted in the Twitter account of the PGF founder, Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya, who is the prime author of this paper. And we captured the details of the Facebook account of the PGF founder. The social media degree value of the PGF document is 7 It is a maximum social media degree value known to us so far. This indicates seriousness we attach to companion against the erring GNTH administration in terms of inaction to issue prohibition orders against the twin cybercriminal organizations. The PGF shoulders the responsibility of nation building by enduring by all possible means to diffuse the cybercriminal academic environment in JNTH and the recovery the losses to various stakeholders owning to the same the losses to the various deleterious effect of these cybercrimes were explored in the audio file and presentation in Telugu of the PGF with respect to the work on the cyber policing of the fake government of Telangana is presented. A few more related audio presentation files are there, and the social media post of the some PGF explored presentation subjects for the social media companion through the G Plus account of PGF are presented. They indicate that the subjects got awareness and alertness with respect to encountering the cybercriminal academic environment privileging in the university through the twin cybercriminal organizations and captures the YouTube account content of the PGF collected video files. The PGF gave questionnaires to the subjects and response wherein the form of the video file representations of the subjects on survey indicates that the subjects' awareness with respect to exploring India abusive cybercriminals have reached a satisfactory level and shows the Instagram account of the PGF. The photo is that of the PGF founder. This testifies the social media degree value of the PGF is appreciably higher. And convergence potential of IT and RTI Act 2005. So we capture how IT and RTI Act 2005 are potentially interrelated. In 2021, we highlighted that the road to IT is RTI Act 2005. Apart from the online approaches to PGF companion to remedy the cyber crimes, we devised the mechanism of applying the RTI Act 2005 offline. We applied to various GOI, GOAP, and GOT agencies and bodies seeking information such that the fact profile of the fake government of Telangana is brought up for a seeking information such that the fact profile of the fake government of Telangana is brought for the thorough understanding of the various governmental and non-government machineries. So there were positive responses with respect to generating better quality of the national life among people in a sampled manner. These methods, tools, and results indicating in the poster indicate that our endeavors were successful towards our goals by the cybercrime-free India. Second effect for offline handling of the cyber crime issue is detailed for 7 government agencies such as Governor of Telangana and AP, PMO, DST and DSPSC. Queries are made in the RTI applications. This approach helps us to spread awareness about the FGOT and to elicit misappropriation of the governance, if any, through FGOT and to generate intelligence in such offices. The PIO's responses are encouraging to explore the cybercrimes from the RTA Act 2005 angle. So, traces of cybercriminal organization JNTH Jack on 15th November 2018 so indicates the prevalence of the offline organization of the cybercriminal JNTH Jack. It impresses the necessity for the prohibition orders against it for prevention of reoccurring overt organization of JNTH Jack. And we submitted 13 queries to the Cyberabad police under the RTI Act 2005. Most of them target not only the Cyberabad police but also the judiciary and other relevant governmental offices. We hope the future responses of the public police department will facilitate well-developed CC-free academics. So, and the final conclusion is police reforms, judiciary reforms, and academic reforms from a sine qua non in the context of the changing order of the Indian society and emerging trends due to the cyber crimes. Significantly, there are interlinear interrelationships among the RTI Act 2005, Road to IT and Right Information. We have presented the modus operandi of the PGF covering the diffusion aspects of the twin CC organizations, the insights gained by the RTI applications, and the responses of the PIOs and the first appellate authorities indicate that the PIOs are either evasive or non-evasive. PGF is an effective forum for the generation of awareness with respect to cybercrimes and the malicious approaches for the diffusion of the same. The social media degree value of the PGF is appreciably 7. Cyberabad police has to make amendments to follow forensic fiscal psychology approach for the incriminating the culprits. Either review petition or protest petition should be filed in the relevant court for the diffusion of the cyber criminal tendencies and the resultant deleterious effects experienced so far. The government agencies and NGOs should take initiatives for prohibition orders against the twin cybercriminal organization and release white paper to the public presenting the status of these organizations. Thank you.